For this video, I'll show you how to add Google reviews to your Canva website. First, on another window, search for our site, then go to their site. Once in, on the upper ribbon, click on Widgets. Now, under the Reviews section, select Google Reviews. Then click on Create Widget for free. Here, you can choose a template that you like. Once you've picked one, click Continue with this template. Now you can add a business name or leave it blank if you prefer. After that, choose a layout for your reviews. You can also change the color theme to match your website style. Once you're done, click on the Publish button on the upper right corner. Then close the tab. Now you'll be brought to your widget dashboard. Just click on Install, then go to Share Link, and copy the link of your widget. Next, head back to your Canva website. Here, add a new section for your reviews. On the left-hand panel, click on Text, then add a heading. Above the text, click on the link icon. Paste the copied widget link and click Done. After that, click on the drop-down under Display Mode and select Embed. And there you have it, your Google reviews embedded right into your Canva website. You can now adjust the section to fit your site layout perfectly. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.